And ang second floor. That's the second floor.
Yung
Ah, hindi. First floor pala yan. That's the first floor. Yeah.
Yung restaurant.
And then there's meron dyang restaurant. Fully booked. Tapos you have an
Second floor.
option of taking the lift or walk the stairs. So if you can see dito, zoom natin yan. Mga tao naglalakad dyan. Yun, grabe. 10 minutes walk to, di ba? 10 minutes walk. Pataas. Kaya sa amin, sa kabila may lift. So, it's the first floor. Tapos, yun ang second floor. That's where we went dito. Yan. Sightseeing dyan. And then, yun ang summit. Yun. That's the summit before the book. That's crazy. That is crazy. And alam niyo ba kung nasaan kami? Nandito kami. Yan. Mga pagod na pagod na yan kami.
Yan, nakatingin sa Eiffel Tower. Yan yung Eiffel Tower.
Dati,
Oo.
nakikita ko yan sa TV. Tapos ngayon naman, dito lang kami sa bench. Tumitingin.
Titingnan namin na pa.
Kulit yun. Pagod yun eh.